I want to let you know there's a claim on social media right now suggesting the government is going to be getting more information about your personal bank accounts. So our Verified team is setting the record straight. Our senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel is here to explain tonight what's true in tonight's 13 News Verify.
So this is the letter floating around Facebook that people are talking about. It claims to be from the president of a small bank in Illinois, and it says the Biden administration has proposed requiring all community banks and other financial institutions to report to the IRS on deposits and withdrawals of all businesses and personal accounts with a balance of $600 or more. And it says that's intrusive and compromises your privacy. Lots of viewers sent us this letter to ask simply, is this true? Let's take a look. Our sources are Citizen State Bank in Milford, Illinois, the U.S. Treasury Department, statements from IRS Commissioner Charles Rettig, and the Indiana Bankers Association. This letter is in fact from Citizen State Bank. I spoke to Bank President Arthur Murray this week, and he says he wrote the letter to warn his customers about a proposal he thinks is dangerous. He was surprised the letter went viral on Facebook. So the letter is real, but what about the proposed legislation? Well, it turns out that part is also legit. President Biden has proposed tax reforms, and we got a better look at those reforms when IRS Commissioner Charles Rettig testified before the Senate Finance Committee back in June. His testimony from that day discusses a proposed requirement that financial institutions report data to the IRS on all bank accounts that have total deposits and withdrawals of at least $600. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen sent a letter to the chairman of the House Ways and Means Committee in support of the proposal. Banks say it's a terrible idea. Last week, dozens of organizations representing the banking industry and other business groups wrote congressional leaders urging them to oppose the proposed tax reporting requirements for banks. The Indiana Banking Association says the plan would mean turning over a mountain of data to the IRS, and it worries about customer privacy and security.
The IRS is constantly under attack from cyber threats. We've seen different data breaches over the years as it relates to IRS information. And so I think there's a heightened concern, too, for how they're going to store and manage all this data.
Some folks on TikTok claim the plan would allow the government to monitor your bank accounts and give access to all of your banking information. That is not accurate. The actual proposal would only require banks to report total annual deposits and withdrawals, not individual transactions. Still, when we look at the question, is it true that a proposal from President Biden would give the IRS more access to information about bank accounts with assets over $600? We can verify that is true. Again, right now it's just a proposal. It could change or be dropped altogether as Congress debates the plan over the next few months. See something on social media you'd like us to check out? Send us an email at verify@WTHR.com.